Alright, what's up, sirs and misses? We are going to Glendale Park as our rail fanning today, so here we go. Off to a trip. Got some Ripples chips. And I also got this Hydro Peak water bottle as my drink. That's my daily drink. My daily Coca-Cola. I don't know if my snow angel's still here. I think it's gone now. Yep, my snow angel is pretty much gone now. Well, yeah. We're going to go over, like, right down there where I'm pointing. It's really scary, actually. Well, I've been in this pathway, this secret pathway. I've been there before. It's scary in the night, scary today. And most of the snow got removed from the park because of the sunny days that happened about Sunday yesterday. All right. Oh, zoom to 6. There we go. There we go. Alright. Oh, shoot. We do not have any lights. Aw, crud. No lights on. How come it's always like this now? This is so awkward. Every night, it's like this. Yes. Yeah, I don't see any trains. Yep, yeah. Well, hopefully I'll get a train. I'll probably check the tracks, like, later, yeah, because I think not many trains are running today. Not a lot of trains run on weekends. But mostly 24/7, around 40 to 50 trains run in this area. But it's probably decreased to about 30 to 40 trains in weekends. For a reason. I don't know what the reason is, but... Alright, now it's time to expand my tripod. I hope my phone doesn't fall in the snow again. Because, once I did, the phone actually broke. In just like a couple minutes, like the screen glitched. This is why I had to get a new phone last month. This is why I had to get a new one last month. Well, I got it. I got a haircut on the day where I got my new phone. And the haircut was great. And then, yeah, we had an appointment at Spectrum to get a new phone. Yeah, crazy. Got to the Spectrum store, I got a new phone on December 6th, and they had a big delay on the fit check. So, yeah, I had a very big delay on this fit check. Right before I would not be able to do it until I got the new phone. And it looks like I did. And my fit check was over. We were trying to fix my other phone early, like December 5th. December 5th is when it broke. And that day was actually the Christmas party for my dad and my mother. I'm gonna turn the flashlight off so I don't blind any people in the park. Yeah. And, well, here it is. Here is the first part of a story. I dropped my phone in the snow. I was trying to go to Bud Hendrickson for a little bit, but I got snow my phone. And then it was impossible to find until I got it. And then it was all fine. And then we had to leave the place because we were running out of time for the Christmas party. And then as soon as we were done going through the bridge over to CPKC rail yard, my phone started glitching for an obvious reason. It started glitching. It was really crazy. And then when we got to the house, we tried everything we could, put rice into the phone, and then somehow it did not work. So therefore, on the 6th, like, I woke up pretty early, had on a Vikings gear, and I was ready for the haircut. And then another story was, I was pretty great in the haircut, and then after a couple hours ago of my haircut is done, well, I took a shower exactly after the haircut, and then 2 hours later, we went to Spectrum, the store, and then after minutes and minutes and minutes, we've got this boomy, that new phone of mine. Because the other one, well, it was a little cracked too, but the other one was water damaged. Well, snow damaged. But this one is turning out to be good. It has dropped in the snow a few times, and it did not break, because the snow was thin. And the other one that dropped in the snow was blizzard thin. I lost some of my memories, but I had to recreate new memories. Unfortunately, I still managed to get some trains in my videos. Anyways, I'm gonna pause the video because so I don't waste time getting a train or waste any battery or anything. Because, it's supposed to just include the trains. Anyways, I'm pausing the recording until I'm getting a train. Okay. It's gonna be a while because the lights are off. So, okay. Pausing it in 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's getting loud here. It's getting bright. The bombs explode. It doesn't. Oh. Sounds like a train. Here he comes. That's another stack one. I can't even see it. Sure. Can't even see it. Like a one by lone Lego. Almost. Can't even see it. Up. I'm going to wrap up. Yeah, the train arrived. I think the train came too late. The train came too late. It's too late at the time of the board. We'll say. Wow, it's a big one. It's a big one. Huge. Big one. What time is it? Time. 7:35. 7:35. very high. Okay. I thought the westbound was gonna be our only train, but guess what? An eastbound is coming. Alright, I have to go back by the slings quickly. I have to turn my flashlight off, so I don't blind the crew, so I don't blind the engineer. There we go. Alright, not yet, actually. There we go. Our northbound train was supposed, our westbound train was, our west northbound train was supposed to be our only one for today. Guess what? There was another one. So I'm waiting here. What's all that strange sounds coming from here? Why is this the pole shining and the train's coming? Is the train even coming? Oh. Yes, the train is coming. I already hear it. The tall girl isn't at the playground. It's just me here today, anyway. Here we go. Here it comes. Wow. Auto racks. My hands are freezing again. Auto racks. Loaded auto racks. It has an engine in the front. I think it's smaller. I think it's about probably the same length as the train, or maybe a little shorter. Mostly stack trains are longer than auto racks. Yeah, I really can't see trains from there in the dark, except for I'm really close. If I had a brighter flashlight, then that would have been great. Yeah, that would have been great. But unfortunately, I do not have one. You know, I got one for my birthday, but I only had it for like a couple months, or for like just days, till it died out. Unfortunately, that was so crazy, super crazy. And there's the end of it. Here it comes. Here comes the end. That's another engine. There we go. That was it. Anyways, good evening, rail fans. I hope I see you tomorrow, because it's gonna be another fun rail fan tomorrow. Except for I have to go to school tomorrow, because today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday. So thank you for watching that nearly 15-minute video, guys. Goodbye, rail fans. Have fun.